Question 14, paper 2, 2017 for edecxel. So question 14 says, on the grid, shade the region that satisfies all of these inequalities. You've got y is greater than 1, x plus y is less than 5, and y is greater than 2x. So if I just slide that down, I would write down these facts. Remember, if it's not got an equal to below, then it's a dotted line, and if it does have an equal to below, then it's just a solid line. We can see that all of these three lines must be dotted, so you need to remember that when you're plotting those. So first of all, y is greater than 1. So I'm going to plot my line of y equals 1. So along here, every point on this line along here has a y coordinate of 1. So that's my first line along here. Remember, it's dotted. Okay, I want where y is greater than 1, so I don't want anything below the line. So below the line, I'm going to just cross off. I can put a cross through it as you please, just something to make it clear that you don't want that section. Next part is x plus y is less than 5. So I'm going to rearrange that. So I've got y is less than minus x plus 5. So the reason we do that is because this is more recognisable. We know how to plot something that looks like y equals mx plus c. So it's a lot easier to plot on a graph. So we know it crosses the y-axis at plus 5. So we know we've got that point there. We've got a gradient of negative 1. So as I go along 1, I go down 1, along 1, down 1, along 1, down 1. So we can see the line forming, and it's dotted again. So remember that when you're plotting it. And as you're doing this in an exam, you'd be thinking, right, okay, do I want above or below? So I want where y is less than this line. Okay, so I want the part below. I want the part below that line. So I'm going to cross off anywhere above that line. Okay, and the last part is y is greater than 2x. So 2x crosses at 0, 0. I go along 1, up 2, along 1, up 2. So I can see my line forming. Going diagonally up here. Remember, it's dotted again. Try to use a really sharp pencil, makes it a bit more accurate. Okay, I want where y is greater than 2x. So I'm going to shade wherever it's below. Okay, so I've got this region up here is the part that I'm actually shading. So make sure it's clear which region is actually the shaded part. Okay, you might just want to put a cross through there, okay, to make sure that they know that this is the region that you are after.